Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am SAEED Shaikh. In this episode, we shall discuss and guide you how to prepare for again one of the most expected and important interview questions. Whereas for more questions of interview room, keep on watching our upcoming videos. Today's question is, how do you describe your work style? Before moving further, I shall advise you that in order to grasp better understanding of this video, to watch our earlier videos of Job Interview Guide series, episodes 1 to 6. You see the importance of this question in case you have already been in a position to satisfy the employer in other questions, but if your work style is not suitable to the environment and culture of the employer organization, you can better understand the very importance of this question. So just keep this very thing in mind before you work out any suitable answer to this question. How do you describe your work style? What does work style really mean? Here, in fact, the interview is trying to detect how you will fit into the existing work culture, carefully gauging your response about how you will mesh with potential seniors, co-workers, and the team members, etc. In our episode 5, we talk about the weaknesses. We all know everyone has got weaknesses. Like everyone has got the strengths, rather usually more strengths than the so-called weaknesses. Exploring your strengths convincingly would set aside the weaknesses, however, shall all depends on your way of presentation and which of the matching strengths you pick up here and how you would like to respond to this question. How do you describe your work style? Well, I can't say here, sir, I have an excellent work style and I'm always adjustable, adaptable, suitable. I can handle every difficult situation like that. But how you can handle every difficult situation in isolation shall be another question into the mind of the interviewer. See, again, the question is very important. How you describe your own work style. Let me share with you my experience of interviewing various candidates of executive positions, and I will sum up like that. I do have a friendly style, but within the official norms. Another was, I focus on performance. I like to be treated with respect, so I do with my colleagues and the team members. Another was, I can't change my boss, but I can change my team members. If needed, I shall train them. You can choose whatever is suitable and pertinent to your nature and the work style. And we know that no one is perfect and no one can perform in isolation to the culture. Everyone has got his or her own work style. But how to satisfy the employer here who is keen to hire best of the best and is still looking for a person who is adjustable, adaptable, and flexible and have the working style suitable as per the employer's setup. Here, one more tip is that if you know the culture of the employer already, that shall really help you to work out the suitable reply. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, here important is that employer has given you a chance to talk about yourself, specifically describe your own style of doing the job. I shall suggest you to evaluate yourself honestly and see whatever is relevant as per your nature and style. And whatever is your own work style, gauge it, sum it up, and speak it out. And don't feel shy. Describe your work style possibly in one-liner, such confidently, as if you are describing greatest strength of your abilities and of your personality. And best of luck.